ऑल इंडिया सीनियर अधिवक्ता एसोसिएशन सुप्रीम कोर्ट के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आर वेंकटरमणी और जनरल सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर आदित्य अग्रवाल ने नवनियुक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट के माननीय जजों का भव्य स्वागत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ने किया। इसमें ज्योतिमारा बागची, माननीय ऑनरेबल नीले विपुल चंद्रा, ऑनरेबल विजय बिश्नोई, ऑनरेबल जज अतुल प्रकार चंद्रा चंदुलकर और कई अन्य, इसमें और भी कई अन्य वरिष्ठ सीनियर माने जज उपस्थित रहे। यह एक स्वागत समारोह था जिसमें उनको नए आने वाले चुनौतियों के लिए भव्य स्वागत किया गया। दिल्ली से कुलवंत कौर के साथ बंसीलाल की रिपोर्ट।
Decades of experience, a deep commitment to the rule of law, and an impressive legacy of judicial service in their respective high courts. Their elevation is not only a personal milestone, but a matter of national pride for the judiciary and the people of India alike. Civil, criminal and administrative matters have not only enriched Indian jurisprudence but have also powerfully touched the life of their fights, commitment to justice, clarity of thought and judicial sensitivity. Their dedication, legal scholarship and humility are qualities that inspire not only members of the bench and bar, Mr. Justice J.K. Maheshwar. Their collective decision has indeed strengthened the constitutional fabric of India. As Secretary General of the All India Bar, All India Senior Advocate Association and President of the International Council of Tourists London, I can safely state with pride and conviction that the honorable judges of the Supreme Court of India are among the finest in the world. Their commitment to delivering justice with
absolute independence. He said, "You can argue before him, but don't try to bluff him." Jurisprudence and civil liberties. Your Lordship's fearless commitment to the individuals against oppressive state action reminds me of the highest tradition of the Honorable Supreme Court. Justice Nilay Vipin Chandra Anjari, Your Lordship tenured at the Gujarat High Court and Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, has not only maintained judicial rectitude but has also often articulated our society. Some judges interpret the law. Your Lordship makes it speak for the people. Justice Vijay Bishnoi, from my bottom of my heart, I have to tell, Your Lordship has served the cause. I have taken initiative of ensuring social diversity in judicial appointments in the High Court and Supreme Court. I have also introduced the Constitutional Amendment Bill 2024 in this regard. I have also strongly urged the establishment of regional benches of the Honorable Supreme Court, which would significantly help decongest the Delhi. Further, it brings the Supreme Court relating these vital reforms, because I thought Law Minister will be here, so I just wanted to tell before my Secretary General called me earlier. I congratulate Your Lordships once again on behalf of the All India Senior Advocates Association and all the members of the bar. Before I part, I thank
argue and interpret the law, but also guide, inspire, and uphold the dignity of the legal profession. Senior advocates are in many ways considered the conscience keepers of the bar. The court looks to them not only for erudite arguments, but also for maturity in thought, restraint in speech, and clarity in presentation. During times when public confidence in institutions is constantly tested, our conduct, both within and outside the courtroom, plays a pivotal role in preserving the sanctity of the justice delivery system. as senior advocates, your decorum, sense of fairness and commitment to truth sets the tone for the younger generation of advocates and also helps to establish standards of professional ethics.
The senior advocates bear on your shoulders of upholding justice even in the most unprecedented circumstances. The dignity and depth of that the senior advocates bring to the court serves as a vital link between the bar and the bench, in so much as to facilitate the institution in dispensation of justice. Frankly, I would like to say that the bar and the bench are like the twin pillars of justice, each supporting and strengthening the other. We often say, with great power comes with great responsibility. But I would like to switch the same a bit and say that with great resignation comes great responsibility.
Two former Chief Justices from Calcutta High Court, Justice A.K. Ganguly and Justice Amitabh Roy, who subsequently were elicited to the Supreme Court of India. Many other distinguished judges were there also from Calcutta High Court. Justice Sushant Chatterjee is no more, Justice Pavitra Roy, and so many 2-3 more judges. I distinctly remember each one of those judges were brilliant. I hope and trust I have also been appearing before justice
whose ecosystem helps the judiciary and the rule of law to thrive. They are the guiding lights of the present, the repositories of past virtues and values, and the mentors of the future. This is long associated.
ये कौन है? इनको कहाँ से आए? चलो
Please, all of you, please. Wait. Sir, एक फोटो करा लीजिए, एक फोटो प्लीज. Wait. पीछे करो. सर सामने. And कीजिए.